All right. I live in Seattle and have a balcony of about 7 foot. My zucchini and cucumber plants did not pollinate last year. What are some self-pollinating seeds that would work good for this situation?
So no, there's no zucchini that are
Self-pollinating.
Self-pollinating. So you can. This is zucchini and cucumber.
Yeah.
So what you can do is when you see the first set of flowers, you can go ahead and just kind of bop the center of the flowers, or use a use your finger, Q-tip, whatever, and then that should encourage those plants then to put out more of the female flowers, which should get
about a week or two later. Yeah,
a week or two later. You can try to hand pollinate them. You can also plant something that is going to attract pollinators. So whether it be some natural wildflowers, you can do annual wild seed flowers. That's fine. I've done them on containers as well. Otherwise, look for something that you can do to attract more pollinators, but there aren't really any zucchini that are self-pollinating. As far as cucumbers, there's a jade cucumber that are self-pollinator. There's Diva, Sweet Success, and Mini Munch, and Cool Breeze. Those are varieties.
Yeah, they will self-pollinate, and you can do those very successfully in a container. You could also do it with a little trellis coming up the backside of the container.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
But yeah, the zucchini, you're going to have to self-pollinate. And with a zucchini, if any of you have grown a zucchini, it can get quite diameter, bushy and tall, so it'll suck up a lot of real estate very, very quickly.